In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up meetings on Monday.com, focusing on using the integrated CRM feature to streamline your scheduling process effectively. This method is particularly useful for those who need to book meetings with clients or contacts directly through the Monday CRM, ensuring that your scheduling process is organized and seamlessly integrated with your workflow. Let's start by navigating to the Contacts board, which serves as your hub for all client and contact interactions. Once you're there, locate the contact page for the person you wish to schedule a meeting with. Think of this page as your communication center for that particular contact, and having all their information at your fingertips here can be incredibly handy. Once you're on the contacts page, you'll find the option to add an activity. You can do this by either clicking on Add Activity or by heading to the Emails and Activities section and selecting the plus icon. This is where you manage all interactions and activities related to your contact, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section for smooth operations. Now, from the list of activity options provided, you want to choose Schedule Meeting. This option will allow you to specify all the particulars of your upcoming meeting, ensuring that everything is noted and accessible both to you and your contact, enhancing clarity and preparation before the actual meeting takes place. After selecting Schedule Meeting, the next step is to fill in the meeting details. Here you'll need to enter a comprehensive meeting description. A well-detailed description helps set the agenda and expectations for everyone involved, so be clear and concise. You'll also select the meeting date and time, aligning it with both your calendar and that of your contact. This step is crucial in avoiding double bookings or scheduling conflicts. Additionally, there's an option to include any relevant messages or notes, which can be useful for highlighting discussion points or providing context ahead of time. The final step in this process is saving the event. By clicking Save, you not only send the meeting invite, ensuring that your contact gets notified, but you also log the event into your system for any future reference. Furthermore, if you've connected Monday.com to your Google or Outlook calendar, the meeting will automatically appear there. This integration is a fantastic way to keep all your scheduling streamlined and efficient, preventing any mix-ups or missed meetings. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently schedule meetings within Monday.com, keeping your professional interactions well organized and easily accessible. With this guide, you should feel more comfortable navigating the platform and making the most of its scheduling capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!